What experts won't tell you about earning weekly with Google and ChatGPT. Ready to make money with affiliate marketing? Justin here, sharing how I turn my side hustle into a full-time gig with over $1,000 weekly earnings from affiliate marketing. Step 1. Sign up for Fiverr's affiliate program. It's a high-paying option, and I'll guide you through the process. Once signed up, you get an affiliate link. Anytime someone purchases via this link, you earn a commission up to 70%. Fiverr is a platform where people hire freelancers for tasks like logo design, video editing, and more. Every time someone buys a service through your link, you earn. And with pro services, you get 70% commission on first orders. Pro services are high-quality, vetted services on Fiverr. Many prefer paying more for top-notch work, boosting your earnings. Repeat buyers are gold. 67% of Fiverr's revenue is from them, meaning more recurring commissions for you. Even if they don't buy pro services, you still get 25% on the first order and 10% on future orders for a year. Sign up to Fiverr's affiliate program, fill in your details, and get started. It's super easy and quick. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard showing your clicks, commissions, and first-time buyers. Set up your payment details. Choose PayPal, bank transfer, or Payoneer to receive your commissions. Promote both Fiverr regular and pro services to maximize your earnings. Deep links help target specific services. Use Google to attract people searching for freelance services, guiding them to Fiverr through your affiliate links. Create high-converting articles using smart keywords. This helps rank them on Google and drive traffic to your links. High-quality articles with strong call-to-action images increase clicks. People are more likely to engage with visuals. ChatGPT helps identify popular freelancing jobs. Use this info to create articles targeting high-demand services. Target digital agency owners. They often need to outsource services, and Fiverr is perfect for that. ChatGPT can generate blog post title ideas. Use them to attract your target audience to your affiliate links. Build your website easily with Hostinger. Insert your high-converting articles and start earning commissions. Hostinger offers tools like AI Writer to create content quickly, perfect for affiliate marketing articles. Use AI tools to generate engaging content. Edit manually to ensure quality and add images for better engagement. Use SEO tools to find high-purchase intent keywords. This helps rank your articles higher on Google. Target keywords with low competition to easily rank on Google. This increases traffic to your affiliate links. Create multiple articles for different services. More articles mean more chances to earn commissions. Sign up for SEMrush's 14-day free trial. Use it to find keywords and optimize your articles. Cancel the trial if needed, but you'll likely resubscribe once you see the potential earnings. Start now with Fiverr's affiliate program and watch your affiliate marketing income grow every month.